Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So, have you ever wanted to get a cleaning contract with one of the major banks? Bank of America, Truist, Wells Fargo? Guess what? In this video, I'm going to give you probably three easy steps that can get you on your way to winning your bank cleaning contract. Ready? Let's go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure that you go to a bank that you bank. So if you're banking at Bank of America, I would say that you want to actually first start with the bank that you're already giving them your business and preferably your company's business. So let's say I bank at Truist, which I do. I would first look at that being one of the major banks that I would go to. So now, number one, try to make sure it's not like something you have to do, but it's kind of like an unwritten rule. Most people want to do business with people that do business with them. So first, I would go to Truist. Second thing you want to do, and this is really good regardless if you were looking to do business with them or not, build a relationship with that bank. You know how they have the individuals that you sit with and you open your accounts with, the banking managers, or the banking representatives that are there opening up the private accounts and the business accounts, not the ones that are actually at the teller, not the teller, but the ones that are actually opening the accounts. That is who I would definitely look at building the relationship with. When they're looking at doing small business loans as your business grows, which we know it is, these are the individuals that really give you great information on available credit for your business, small business loans, so on and so forth. Start building a relationship with them. You can start today. Okay, this process doesn't take a long time. So first, you're going to go to a bank you already are hopefully a member of. Then you're going to look at starting to build that relationship. Just simply let them know a little bit about your company. A lot of times they'll give you their private or their business card where you can call them directly. That's building that relationship. Then I would simply ask them that same day, do you mind telling me who does your cleaning for your bank? Now, a lot of the major banks, number two, actually are subcontracted out or they're contracted to very large companies. Now, this is something that I've noticed. Most of them are already, you're going to find that they have accounts with large prime contractors. Ask them for that person's name, the name of the company they currently have. A lot of times they're looking for opportunities that for vendors like your company to do the local banks because, of course, they may be in Hawaii, they could be in New York, large companies, they're the prime who are looking to give you a, like a subcontracting opportunity. Great place to start. So now you've talked to them, built the relationship, you've gone by where you bank, you've built the relationship, you've asked them the question. And the third thing you want to look at is once you get the information, go onto that website, look and see what you need to be a subcontractor. And then I would look at seeing about calling them and giving them the name of the individual that referred you. That makes it more personal than just going to their website and signing up to be a vendor. So let's say Miss Jackson gave me your information and said that you guys might have opportunities for us to be a subcontractor at this particular bank. And it's a local bank because this is where you bank. So that means it's close to you. But these are the things you want to make sure that you're aware of. One, make sure that you also check on any subcontracting opportunities with this vendor that should probably be local. Number two, bank has a lot of sensitive information. So security, money, all that. So security numbers, money, all of that. Make sure that you have background checked employees that are only going into that location. And this is where I would start. We actually had a bank contract with Truist, Bank of America. So I did these exact steps and I was able to obtain that contract when I was in Orlando, Florida. Shout out to Florida. Okay. Anyway, love to see you at our free workshop if you'd like to know more on the attraction, the acquisition, and the retention. All of these and more, free workshop. Make sure you sign up. Space is limited. Or if you're interested in what you need to do to scale your business to what? Six figures and beyond, pow, using government cleaning contracts. Love to see you at that workshop, Wednesdays and Thursdays, free workshop, giving you all the things step by step on what you need to do to make it happen. Get that money. Love to see you there. Bring the energy, bring pen and paper, because I'm going to give you the golden nuggets that I've used to actually actually get there. Love to see you there. Space is limited. Click in the description in order to sign up. Love to see you there. Until the next video, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.